Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you this new 2019 Rockwood 1910 ESP tent trailer. The ESP stands for Extreme Sports Package. Gets you a little bit higher off the ground, different color, and a few extra added features. You've got on the front, it's hard to see, but underneath this front bed you've got a nice storage compartment. You've got an outside shower out here on this side. Let's go around the other side and take a look. The nice thing about these Rockwoods is that the main roof lifts up with a power winch, so you don't have to crank it up. You got nice storage in here. The top does lift open, so all of your storage before you pull the bed out can be put in there. It does come with a barbecue that hooks up to this rail here, and you've got propane running off of your front tanks up front. Let's go inside and take a look. Inside, you've got a nice queen-size bed up front, great counter space, 3-burner stove here. One of the nice things about this particular one is how this lifts over, okay? It lifts over, and so all your drawers in here stay upright. So you could keep silverware in the drawers and not have it all flip over. Back here in the back, you got some more storage here, nice little bit of counter space. This dinette here does fold down into a bed, and a lot of seating around here with, again, a nice double bed in the back. Again, this is a 2019 Rockwood 1910. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in inventory, give me a call. My name is Casey Sanguins, 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.